Bandara hated Christians. He didn't like that they believed that God created the world and that God can forgive sins. He thought both were impossible. One day, everything changed for Bandara.
One day, the God has planned. So he was changed me by the one Christian person. He helped me come out by my troubles and many things. Through him, I saw what is the grace of God, and I saw love of God through him. That's why I was being a Christian.
After accepting Christ through baptism, Bandara wanted to share the light he received with others. With this commitment in his heart, he decided to become a global mission pioneer. He wanted to introduce people to Jesus and someday start a new congregation of believers. His passion and commitment to sharing Jesus grew day after day. The change in Bandara's life was evident to his family and friends. He started going around the city, from one place to another, sharing the love of Christ and his message of forgiveness. Bandara's actions eventually got the whole community's attention, but not for all good reasons. His regular visits alarmed a group who believed that his actions might harm the community. A large group of young men plotted to beat Bandara to stop his visits. As Bandara returned home on his usual route, the young men waited for him. They blocked his path and beat him. Bandara considers the beating to be the deadliest struggle of his Christian life.
So I closed my eyes because I need to save my pace. So they were at 2% continually, maybe 15 minutes hitting. However, they hit me. Finally, I can sense their power. The swords are no power. Finally, they use that helmet to this side. I pray, please don't keep any signs I am beat. So when I go to the back my home, nothing, any hammer or door, anything don't have.
Bandara survived several beatings, standing firm in his faith. When people heard about this, many stood by Bandara because they knew that he wanted to help the community. Bandara's passion and commitment to bring more people to Jesus grows every day.
If we do not do our gospel work, who can do that? God chooses us, and God calls us, who is going for me to work? So we have to go.
Let's pray for Bandara and other global mission pioneers who serve despite the risks that come with their commitment. Thank you for your support of Global Mission. You help church planters around the world.